The 2006-2009 Pontiac Torrent features a vehicle anti-theft system, or VATS, that works with a specialized transponder key to prevent unauthorized starting. This transponder key contains two key components: a resistor pellet embedded in the key blade and a radio frequency chip that communicates with the vehicle's electronics. The vehicle anti-theft system module reads the unique resistor value and validates the transponder signal to ensure only authorized keys can start the engine. The body control module, or BCM, acts as the central brain that controls the immobilizer. It prevents hot wiring by disabling the fuel pump and starter motor when an invalid key is detected. To program a new key, it must be synced with the vehicle's BCM. This involves a specific sequence where the module learns and stores the new key's unique identifiers. While DIY programming is possible with the right tools, incorrect procedures can permanently damage the vehicle's immobilizer system, requiring expensive professional repair. Pontiac Torrent keys come in two main types. Original keys feature a physical pellet resistor embedded in the blade, with colors indicating different resistance values, like red for 30 kiloohms. Replacement keys are blank transponder keys that require programming to match the vehicle's system. The resistor values vary by key blank number, with design resistances ranging from about 0.4 ohms to 30 ohms. This table shows the minimum and maximum resistance for each key blank, which must be matched during programming. The vehicle anti-theft system, or VATS, validates the key by checking both the resistor value in the blade and the transponder chip's unique ID. If either doesn't match, the system disables the fuel pump and starter motor, creating a lockout period to prevent unauthorized starting. To ensure successful programming and avoid compatibility problems, always verify the key blank's resistor value against your vehicle's VIN number before attempting any programming. For DIY Pontiac Torrent key programming, essential tools include an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics, a transponder programmer like the X-Tool KD101 for key programming, and a voltmeter for testing electrical components. Newer options include smartphone-based OBD2 apps for easy diagnostics and wireless key programmers, such as the Xsource Key Tool Max Pro and Autel Maxi IM608 for advanced programming. For advanced setups, EEPROM readers are used for key cloning, but these tools are recommended only for experienced users due to their complexity. Begin by ensuring you have two existing valid keys that work in your Pontiac Torrent. These keys must be able to start the vehicle normally. Insert the first valid key into the ignition switch. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. The security light on the dashboard should illuminate. Leave the key in the on position and wait 10 to 15 minutes. The security light will turn off when the system learns the key. Do not turn the key or remove it during this time. After the security light turns off, turn the key back to off and remove it. Now insert the second valid key and repeat the process. Turn to on and wait another 10 to 15 minutes. Now insert the new key you want to program. Turn it to on and wait. The system should learn the new key after the previous steps. If it doesn't work, you may need an OBD2 tool. For some systems, connect an OBD2 tool to the port under the dashboard to finalize programming. The tool will communicate with the vehicle's computer to complete the key learning process. Improper programming attempts can severely damage the vehicle's body control module or immobilizer system. These electronic components are sensitive and can become corrupted or bricked if wiring is incorrect or tools are used improperly. Mismatched resistor values in the key blade or incorrect transponder codes can trigger the vehicle's anti-theft system. This results in a lockout where the engine won't start, requiring professional intervention to reset the system. With vehicle theft rates on the rise, using cloned keys can be associated with illegal activities. Law enforcement monitors patterns of key-related thefts, and unauthorized key programming could lead to legal consequences. It's crucial to ensure you legally own the vehicle before attempting any key programming. Programming keys for vehicles you don't own can violate laws and lead to fraud charges, even if the intent is not malicious. If programming fails, the first step is to check the key's resistor value with a voltmeter to ensure it matches the vehicle's requirements. Corroded BCMs can also cause programming failures. Inspect the body control module for corrosion and clean if necessary. Resetting the BCM may be necessary in some cases. Locate the fuse box and remove the appropriate fuse for 10 to 15 minutes. Online forums like Reddit's r/Ask Mechanics offer community support and troubleshooting tips for common programming issues. If DIY programming seems too risky, dealerships and professional locksmiths provide secure alternatives using specialized tools like the Tech 2 scanner. This option costs $200 or more, but it significantly reduces the risk of damaging your vehicle's system and ensures proper security implementation. Professional services use advanced diagnostic tools that interface directly with the vehicle's control modules. While more expensive than DIY methods, professional programming provides peace of mind with guaranteed results and warranty protection. The Automotive Service Association recommends professional programming for its superior security features and reduced error rates. The automotive industry is moving toward digital and app-based key solutions, where smartphones use NFC technology to unlock and start vehicles. This shift, expected by 2030, eliminates the need for physical keys in newer models. For older models like the Pontiac Torrent, trends emphasize improved accessibility through affordable tools and better security measures. This addresses the 15% increase in key-related thefts reported by GM in recent years. Open-source tools are democratizing key programming by providing free, community-developed software. This has driven down costs significantly and increased DIY success rates through shared knowledge on forums. Transponder keys are gradually becoming obsolete as digital keys take over. However, DIY programming methods will stay relevant for older vehicles like the Torrent, with a focus on sustainable, reusable components. As official support dwindles for models like the Torrent, salvage value for parts rises. This creates opportunities in the used parts market while encouraging sustainable reuse.